fail. I did. That's how you get all your credits. You know, Shaviana's boyfriend worked here, and Shaviana had an interview, and she just got hired.
Dante? Yeah, I fuck with Dante. Me and Dante in the same grade.
I know.
We got a class together. He cool beats. I fuck with Dante. I knew him since middle school.
Yeah, he said he started working there like last week, and she that's why she didn't go to school Friday. She had an interview. She said that it went well. They told her that she didn't work from there. I said, oh, then you got the job. But do Monte still work down there?
Fuck Monte.
I know that y'all don't work there.
I don't
I'm
either.
sure because I know he likes kids.
I don't even know where that one is. Last time I saw him was when I was split down.
Woohoo!
That
You by
day
yourself?
No, I was with Quan, but Quan was scared. He walked away. I was with Bubba's girlfriend and the best friend. Like last month, I told Quan, I said, Quan, that's Monte. He said, where? I said, at the store. You finna come with some people. He was like, oh. So he put on his ski mask and put his hoodie up and started chiefing the FT. Right? So I'm walking there, I was like, you the twin? I was like, and he just, two people hopped out the car with a gun. Then dude pulled the AR from the window. I said, woof. Oh, I was finna get gone. I wasn't surprised.
You know how
Yeah, I know. It was right by my house.
yeah, so he in recovery now. He just got out of the hospital. He's back in the house, so like Friday he couldn't move really. So she just had to get heat from him. And Nemo went to the door. And he got out. And when he opened up the door, Nemo had that. He had a big ass gun sitting right on the side of his leg, right as he was standing up. He pointed it at him. He was like, "Oh, my bad." But he good now. He able to drive.
Yeah, wasn't his mom and shit living in the car?
No, he said that he good now. He don't need his brother or nothing. He's able to move around by himself.
Yeah, I know. Draco, his cousin.
I know.
That's how we know. Draco told us. Well, we even heard this stuff.
Yeah, that was the gunshot that we heard when I was young. I know Draco told Quan told shit told me.
Draco
He showed it to us.
Draco he wanna shoot what's her name? Alex and Ayala. Cause they was making threats to Draco on Messenger.
She is so much drama.
Cause she with him. She beefing with us cause Paul beat up her boyfriend.
They nasty. They was recording themselves. And they was laying in the bed together. They was naked. I'm like, how disgusting. I don't want to see that.
She's so black, bro, and I hate how she posts herself saying she's cute. That makes me mad. I regret dating her.
You dated her?
Yeah.
You
right
date
after-
anybody.
Okay, that was right after Jalen. I didn't know who she. No, I didn't even do it. I didn't date. Quan did it. I was playing the game, and Quan brought the phone down.
How long you trying to date?
It's 2 days, 3 days.
You don't put your mouth on her?
I never seen her. Son, now you getting out of hand. You making me mad.
How?
Because you're getting out of hand, you're making me mad.
I'm just saying.
No,
and do my
He
thing.
got his hands in his pocket,
I want to get into it, man. You
yelling
know,
at the cop.
like a sex machine, man. Moving, doing it, you know. Can I count it out? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Get on up, get up, get on up. Stay on the scene. Get on up, like a sex machine. Get on up, get up, get on up, get up, get on up. Stay on the scene. Get on up, like a sex machine.
How could you driving so fast on the snow?
Get on up, stay on the scene. Get on up, like a sex machine. Get on up. Wait a minute, shake your arm, then use your palm. Stay on the scene, like a sex machine. You got to have the feeling, sure you're born. Get it together, right on, right on. Get up, get on up, get up, get on up, get up, get on up. Get up, get on up, get up, get on up, get up, get on up, get up, get on up. You said the feeling, you got to get that. You give me fever and a cold sweat. The way I like it is the way it is. I got mine. Don't worry about his. Get up, get on up, stay on the scene. Get on up, like a sex machine. Get on up, get up, get on up, get up, get on up. Bobby, should I take him to the bridge? Go ahead, take him on to the bridge. Take him to the bridge. Can I take him to the bridge? Take him to the bridge. Hit me now. Come on, stay on the scene, like a sex machine. The way I like it, that's the way it is. I got mine, dig it. He got his. Stay on the scene, like a loving machine. Stay on the scene, like a loving machine. Stay on the scene. I want to count it off one more time here. Go ahead. You want to hit it like you did on the top, fellas? Hit it like you did on the top. Hit it now. Get on up, get on up, get up, get on up, get up, get on up, get on up, get on up. Stay on the scene, get on up, like a loving machine. Get on up,